everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make this super simple item sorter. As always, list of materials for this build will be on screen right by now. Let's take a look at how it works. This chest here is my input chest for my items to go into. This chest here is my overflow chest. And the chest down here will be where your items get sorted into. If you take a look at the hoppers, we have our filters in set. All we simply need to do is open up the main chest and place our items inside. The grass blocks and any other blocks inside the chest will make their way through until it finds a place to go into. So here, the grass blocks go down there, the dirt go in there, and the cobblestone goes down here. If you check the sewer one more time, we've now got the stone and andesite, but more importantly, the chest. The chest has no place to go into, so this will just continue along the hopper line until it gets to the overflow chest. There we go. Now, we're going to quickly grab my materials for the inside of the hoppers. So here I'm going to be sorting out grass blocks, dirt, cobblestone, stone, and andesite. Of course, you can choose whatever you like to sort. I'm going to come over to here, which will be my storage system, and simply go behind it. Once behind it, we're going to place hoppers going into the chest, just like this. And then from the top line of hoppers, we're going to do a top left diagonal and go out with blocks going across like this. And then facing the blocks, we're going to place hoppers. Then break our blocks. Underneath the blocks we just broke, place a line of blocks going outwards like this, across the hoppers, and then go out with two more lines. Now place comparators facing out from the hoppers, and then two lines of redstone dust. And then from the outer line of blocks, go down by two temporary blocks, break the first one, and then from the second line, just go across like this. Then place repeaters facing the hoppers, blocks in the face of the repeaters, and redstone torches on the face of those blocks, just like this. And on the back of the repeaters, place a line of blocks, and then redstone dust going across just like that. That is the bulk of the system done. All we now need to do is place our chest for the overflow system, a line of hoppers facing into the chest, and then a chest for our input. Simply now come into your hoppers and place your filters. So you're going to need to rename a block of your choice with the word filter or whatever you like, and then place exactly 41 pieces of the piece that you want to filter into the system, and then place your filter blocks going across like that. So once again, 41 pieces, just like this. Oh, give me a second. There we go. So 41 pieces going in the first slot, and then the filter item going across like this. 41 pieces again like this, and then the filter block going across like that. You use the anvil to rename your blocks, but yeah. So once again with the stone, I'm going to do the same thing, 41 pieces, and then the filter going across. Finally, one more time, 41 pieces, and then the filter going across. That's your whole build done. All you now need to do is simply put your items into the input chest, and then you'll see it goes across nicely until it finds a place to go into. You will notice something about the build. There is always a backlog of 1. So even though I put in 24 items, I'm going to have an output of 23. That is only for the initial batch. After that, you will never have a missing piece. So if you put in 25, your 25 will go into the chest. As always though, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.